What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. I'm here with the homie Diogo.
What's up?
And today we got a nice little quick project right before the new year kicks in. Mercer and I didn't end up doing anything on the Civic just because the holidays have been so busy for both of us. So today, sorry, we are going to be removing these bootleg window visors that we got in the Mugen, and we're going to be replacing them with the Mugen style ones, which are a nicer fit and look nicer. And we're going to be badging the spoiler, put the Mugen badges over here, and go from there.
Kind of cold out.
Ow, that's hot. Hot? There we go. You want to apply heat so it doesn't break. So that's one down. I'm probably going to be putting a new two-sided tape on it and raffle it off or something, help somebody with the board that wants it. So we'll go from there.
Taking the back ones too?
Yeah, one at a time. Just gotta borrow some of Mercer's acetone, which we are at Mercer's shop, and at the same time as we're doing this video, I'm also doing another video for Mercer, and as you guys can see, Alto's car is over here as well, because Alto is getting some work done on it, and we are going to be covering it because Alto would like to have his car on the channel, and I'm honored to have his car on the channel and show you guys some 9th gen content, because I do have quite a bit of 9th gen followers and subscribers. These are the ones that we're going to be installing, the Mugen style ones for the 01-205 4-door. So before we get to this, we're going to finish taking those off, and give us a couple minutes, but for you guys a couple seconds. So once we're done, we'll show you everything cleaned up and ready to mount. I'm pretty sure you got that on camera.
What?
You doing your little
My Euro beat?
Ting, 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 ting. Alright guys, so we got it out. As you guys can see, Diogo will show you.
That guy just looked at us weird.
Yeah, it's okay. Usually get that when you're filming YouTube videos. People look at you like, why are they filming? Why are these criminals over here?
Yeah.
But it's okay. But as you can see, we got the glue and everything off because the heat cut. So now on this little sticky residue, we're going to use some acetone just to clean it up. Light acetone, because you don't want to go too much acetone. And it will give it a good compound for it to bond with the new ones. I like sounding so smart sometimes.
I know. It even makes me feel proud.
See, just give it a nice little rub, you know?
But not too much.
Not too much, because you don't want to end up with the chop.
Yeah, but it's coming up.
Of course it's coming up. I don't know what I'm doing all the time. Sometimes I do.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
How many of these have you put in your life? Actually, never did one.
Yeah, I did these ones, the old ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Escape. I didn't do the ones on the Civic. Kevin actually did those. The ones that mount from the inside.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so they go onto
Like
the
from
trim.
inside,
Yeah.
The trim and everything.
That's why every time you have to make sure.
Yeah,
You have to make sure. Like Diogo, hold the plastic piece. Make sure the window's closed, right?
Exactly.
See, I know. I know the corners of the house. more or less. Getting all clean.
Yeah.
Just so it does a nice bond. And here too. It goes up to here. The other ones goes up to here too.
You know what? I haven't even taken them out of the packaging. I just didn't like how those ones fit, like when they went with the mirrors and everything like that.
We should get something for here too.
Yeah, so that one I'm gonna need to touch in the warmer weather. I'm gonna pull it off, clean it, put new two-sided tape on it, and just go from there. I think that's pretty good, no?
Yeah, well,
Probably
it's pretty clean.
Go a little bit more on it.
Just clean this one too. You're gonna do one side first, or you're gonna do all four?
Well, we're gonna do one side first.
See how it looks.
See how everything looks. Show everybody on the channel.
No, that one came out easier.
Well, this one we were applying more heat.
True.
Guys, I screwed up. You're supposed to use like not a latex glove because this is the latex, but guys, don't be like me. Actually use some hand protection because this shit's no good for your skin.
Why? Women use it all the time. On their nails. I'm pretty sure they...
Yeah, but they have those special gloves.
Yeah, but women are a fine specimen, bro.
They are.
They're born with the genes to handle acetone, bro.
Ass or acetone?
I don't know. Gosh.
Alright. I've actually been super stoked to be putting these things on for a long time. Now we just gotta find out what's left, what's right. And right off the bat, like I'll show you, the quality is already two different qualities.
They're bigger, right?
Bigger, nicer. Wish it would tell you.
It's gonna cut the wind. No, nicer.
I feel like, yeah, it would be like that, right?
Yeah, bro. 'Cause it's got the little piece over here.
Yeah,
This
so
this piece goes in the corner.
Yeah, the left one.
Yeah. So why Mugen?
Why Mugen? Because
Yeah.
we know we're pronouncing it wrong.
Why?
It's actually Mugen.
Mugen?
Yeah, they got the
Yeah,
guy-
but it sounds pretty wrong.
Yeah, I know.
It's just
sounds so much
it's so much
So we're
better.
just gonna say Mugen. Why? Because we did the spooniest one. Because
Mugen?
I always wanted a spoon, the 7th gen, and we made the one a spoon one. So because it actually has the 7th gen as well, and it's the more luxury version, being a DL. Why not make it a spoon, a Mugen EL? And that's what we did.
Yeah, bro. That looks like a gangster car, bro. Jesus, those are that's pure 80s, eh?
What's period?
The like how big it is.
Yeah, it's supposed to fit like that, I believe.
Yeah, bro. This
So-
is pure 80s.
It looks really nice. What do you think, Diogo?
Just peel it out. Just peel it out and put it. Do it.
So guys, remember, pretty simple.
You have to do a peel.
Peel
the 3M.
peel back. You know, it's like Tim Hortons, roll up the rim. You peel up the rim, or roll back the foreskin. Look at that.
Oh, it's still missing a little bit.
What's a sponge for?
Wow.
Do we need the sponge?
I think we need the sponge, bro. It's there for a reason. Don't take it off. Wow, dude.
Almost.
Jesus. Look, just the tip.
Just. You're zoomed in on the tip?
Yeah, I've always zoomed in on
You're
the tip.
zoomed in on the tip, for sure. All right, so
Okay. Line it up. Tip with tip.
I don't want to fuck this up.
Yo, bro, line it up. Why didn't you just open the door?
Why?
Because like that, you know the line of the door.
I can see the line of the door. Look, this is the top of the door.
Oh, okay.
Just trying to line it up good. And not.
Put your full concentration to it.
Alright.
That's it. There's no coming back now.
There's no coming back. I fucked up.
You fucked up?
I did. I was supposed to pull this up a little bit more tighter to the mirror, but actually, you know what?
No, it's good.
It's good.
Because you're right over.
Yeah, you know, because I got to replace with the hybrid.
You're right. You're lined up over here. You got a what?
I'm gonna replace these ones with the hybrid mirrors, the power folding.
Are they carbon?
No.
Shit.
You know, I can't find those spoon mirrors anymore for like I have on the Civic because I wanted to put it on these. Can't find them anymore. So it's like I gotta really be careful with the ones on the Civic.
Yo, but like these mirrors with a little like Mugen thing here.
What Mugen thing?
Like a little, you know how you put it on the spoiler?
The symbol?
Yeah, like the little Mugen,
The
like
symbol?
a little thing here.
You're talking about the symbol?
Yeah, like but here. It'll look okay. It'll look pretty good. It'll look pretty original. You can just, these are my Mugen, you know? These are my Mugen mirrors. Mugen, pay attention. Start making mirrors.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
So what do you think so far?
Yo, this makes it look like a pure 90s car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just gives it, I don't know, gives it a more gangster look. But yo, it has a little curvature.
To it. Yeah, like the 8-gen ones.
Has a little, no.
Yeah.
Which ones?
The
Mine's are,
sedans?
well, mine's are straight.
You had a coupe.
I had a coupe, yeah.
Yeah. Talking about the sedans.
Oh, I don't know.
I gotta pick up all those garbage.
I had weather techs, bro.
That's what I have on the Civic.
Weather techs.
They're nice.
They're gorgeous.
Like I said, the ones I have on the Civic are the, should test fit this one.
You still missing one, no? Did you peel it off?
Peeled everything off.
No. Sorry.
So, oh, it's got the line right there. Right?
Yeah, you should probably line it up on that part first.
Trying to keep it the same.
The precision.
Too high. I think I went a little too high. It's hard to fucking get these things 100%.
Well, once you glue them, there's no coming back.
I know. Oh, you
Never
fucker.
mind, there is coming back. They're not, now you can fix them.
Yeah, but that was bad.
No, it wasn't. Now you get the heat gun. There you go. Fixed.
If this one flies off on the highway.
It's not gonna fly off. I'm actually like, get the heat gun, like put a little bit of heat, and then press it. So you like get all the properties of the glue rather.
Nah, I think it's on there.
It's not gonna fly off. You're not hitting those many G-forces.
I swear to God, Diogo. Kick you in the ass.
Yo, but it fixed. It got fixed. Look, it's so much better now.
Yeah, it's a little bit better.
It's a little bit better.
Alright, so let's give it a nice wide view. I'll close the trunk so we get like a whole idea.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Look. Perfect. Look at the line. Look. Oh, it focuses on my finger.
It does focus on your thing.
That's amazing.
Alright guys, so I'll give you a nice wide view. So, I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I like it. I think it's an improvement. It gives it more of a look to the side. Alright. Well, we're gonna go finish on the other side. I gotta rip those ones off, clean it all up, and do it. And I'll give you a full walk around of the car and then get onto the Mugen emblems. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we cleaned off the surface and Diogo is installing the Mugen badge on the wing that Rick from Garage 16 was so kind to finally get for us. He had them in stock and got them.
That's how it is on the Mugen.
Yeah, and that's how it looks on the Mugen wing. Nice and straight. Diogo did a good job.
Where's
So,
Diogo?
it's in my pocket. So before Diogo goes off and do that, I'm going to give you guys a walk around with the new visors on. So as you guys can see, this is the side that we did before. I'm going to be doing cleanup on the headlights, so I'll show you guys that. This is the other side. Came out nice, very nice. Really happy with the outcome of the Mugen visors. They look 10 times better than the other ones. Give it more of an aggressive side look. As you can see, the spoiler right now without it. What's up, Anthony? And the spoiler with it right now. Guys, let us know in the comments what you guys think. Yep.
I'm gonna see if you can find different types.
Alright, so Diogo's just talking and I'm just zooming in, having some fun with the camera. Guys, we got both of them on. Like everything, you gotta get used to it. I like it. You know, trying to do the whole Mugen theme like we did with the ES1, doing the whole spoon theme. It is in winter mode, obviously, because we're here in Canada. And we're literally 2 days away from New Year's. That's the side profile of the car. It's looking fantastic. I'm in love. So, guys, whoa, hold on. Let me fix this up. A little too much zoom. There we go. All right, guys. That's pretty much gonna be it for this video. It's nothing too crazy. Just doing some little odds and ends on the EL before we wrap up the 2019 season. It is a little chilly one. I can't ask for a better brother-in-law than this guy. Always down helping everything up. Big thanks to him.
Yo, well, isn't there one that spells like like you know how it spells the opposite? So like a sticker type.
Reverse.
Yeah, so like this
Mugen that way, and then sorry, the symbol there, and then Mugen that way.
Yeah.
You know what? We're gonna look at that in the new year, and if we can, we're gonna replace that one badge. And
So it looks like that.
you know what? I think Conrad might have given me two of the same side without knowing. We probably don't even notice it. Maybe. Well, we'll figure it out in the new year. Regardless, it looks pretty dope as hell. And guys, thank you for an awesome 2019. Thank you guys for supporting the channel since day one. In the beginning, I was really not sure where we were going, and I've been very fortunate having a loyal fan base, and guys who become family. And you got to see some of the guys that we roll with and some of their projects. And you already know to follow Diogo's journey for his Time Attack Mark II.
It's nothing crazy. It's just a Volkswagen.
It's just a Volkswagen. It's still faster than a Golf R. And we're gonna leave it at that. Of course, because I know they're watching. I know you're watching. Guys, Happy New Year. Be safe. Enjoy your New Year's Eve parties and all that. And just send it.
Send it.
Just send it. Just send it. Just send it. Peace.